All right, hey everybody, welcome to Salesforce Starter. And as the name suggests, you're in a good spot to begin your journey with Salesforce. And to help you on your way, I've got 3 tips that'll help make your trial experience a little smoother. All right, so tip number 1, follow the guides. Look, Starter Suite is designed with new users in mind. So it's got step-by-step guidance built right into it to help you learn your way around Salesforce and actually start using it quickly. And if you haven't already done it, I recommend checking out the Get Started module in our Guidance Center. All right, and tip number 2, let's actually get you set up for success. It doesn't matter how good Salesforce is if no one actually uses it during the trial, right? So let's invite your teammates and get them set up. Let's actually import some data so there's relevant stuff in Salesforce. Let's connect Salesforce to your Outlook or your Gmail so you can see what that sync and that integration is like. And if you're interested in trying any of that stuff, we've got other videos in this demo that'll walk you through it. All right, and tip number 3, explore the apps. Starter is a full suite of tools, and there's a lot to get out of it. So just go in there and explore and just try to have fun with it. Check out the spotlight cards on your homepage for some ideas. All right, and that's it for this video. Try it out, have some fun. Thanks for watching.